Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 8. Find the highest common factor, HCF, of 36 and 54. In this question, we are going to find the highest common factor, or HCF, of 36 and 54. First, let's remind ourselves what HCF means. The HCF is the largest number that divides both numbers exactly, without leaving a remainder. There are many ways to find HCF, but we shall use the most common method using the prime factorization and the ladder method. Let's start with 36. We divide 36 by 2, which results in 18, then divide 18 by 2 again, which will result in 9. Now divide 9 by 3 and result will be 3. Divide 3 by 3, which will result in 1. As 1 cannot be divided further, so the prime factors of 36 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, let's do the same for 54. Divide 54 by 2, which results in 27. Divide 27 by 3, which will result in 9. Divide 9 by 3, which results in 3. Divide 3 by 3, which will result in 1, which cannot be divided further. So the prime factors of 54 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. To find the HCF, we multiply only the common prime factors. So let's identify common prime factors by comparing the prime factors of both the numbers. The common prime factors are 2, 3, and 3. So HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which results in 18. It's the answer. Great, we have solved the question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.